Okay, so now we're done with the eyes. We're gonna go ahead and contour just a little bit more. We already did the cream contour earlier, but you know it's never enough. So I'm gonna grab my KKW Beauty powder contour kit and my big bronzing brush and just hit into the warm contour just to warm up the skin just a little bit more and really define that contour. I always like to go over, even if I have cream contoured, with my powder. And then grabbing my contour brush, this is the Morphe R10. I'm gonna hit the powder contour too. And again, just kind of define the cut of the contour that I already have going. Under the chin and very quickly on the forehead. So now that everything is cut, contoured, and sharp, we're gonna also just go back in and warm up the face a little bit. I'm gonna take my Nars blush. This is in the color Outlaw, which is a really warm, bright blush. So I'm gonna grab my favorite blush brush. This is the Morphe 530. Just gonna tap into here, tap it off a little bit because it's very bright. And just warm up the face a little bit. Okay. And there you go.